In this video, we are going to show you how to get started using Document Manager for Confluence Cloud. To begin, navigate to your Confluence space. You need to find the interface for the configuration, go to the space settings on the sidebar, then on the App Links category, you will find the DMC settings if the plugin is correctly installed. The settings are presented within a panel consisting of 7 sections. The first section is for activating/deactivating the plugin, followed by the remaining 6 sections for configuring various aspects such as nomenclature, depth number, publication space, and so on. It is necessary to configure all these sections to enable the plugin. When the plugin is deactivated, if you create a new page, no DMC information will be attached to it. The second section is the publishing space. This publishing space allows the single source of truth. It is where you will find every version of documents you asked DMC to publish. You can easily update the publication space. They are sorted by name among all the spaces of the website. The third section allows you to configure your version. The version increments automatically by the number of version increments you have chosen, and when you publish this page, the version changes immediately to the number you have selected an increment when publishing a page. First section is naming role. This section gives you the choice of your document naming rules for their ID. In this section, you can add the date, month, year, and include a text. You can also choose the parent. The parent plus number element allows mentioning a parent page of the document. For example, entering parent with number 1 will make the name of the direct parent appear, but further parent page names are accessible for the document ID by typing higher numbers. As written in the signification column, the counter element is mandatory to have a valid naming rule. You can also rearrange the order of these options. The 5th section is the selection of the publication status. Before configuring the published status, you need to install and add a Kamala workflow to your space. To do this, simply go to the Kamala configuration space and enable the workflow for the space. The status of your documents are defined following the workflow from Kamala Document Management that is used in your draft space. Typically, they can be draft, published, approved. You will find all the status available in your workflow. This section allows defining when the document version will be published in the publication space. The 6th section is selection of the group that can be assigned to read confirmations. A functionality of DMC is to do read confirmation. You can pick a group in the list and update. The people included in the group are the ones that are able to do read confirmations. The last section is about the depth of the pages concerned by the plugin. The depth of a page is the number of parent pages she has. In other words, the amount of pages that constitute the mentioned page is included in the amount. And after you can activate your plugin and start with DMC.